Dominating the highways with unmatched reliability and innovation, Scania trucks have earned an unwavering preference among truck drivers worldwide. A perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology, fuel efficiency, and driver-centric design. These machines redefine long-haul trucking. Be part of our growing community as we explore the reasons behind Scania's unparalleled dominance, uncovering its history of modifications, interior luxury, and current market standing. For decades, Scania has consistently pushed the boundaries of engineering excellence, introducing advanced powertrains, aerodynamics, and driver assist systems. Early models were recognized for their rugged durability, while continuous improvements in fuel efficiency and emissions technology have placed Scania ahead of the competition. The introduction of the V8 engine in the 1960s revolutionized the trucking industry, offering superior torque and longevity. Over the years, updates such as automated manual transmissions, enhanced turbocharging systems, and lightweight chassis designs have kept Scania at the forefront of innovation. The 1990s saw the introduction of the modular truck concept, allowing drivers to configure their trucks for maximum efficiency. In the 2000s, the brand took a step further with Euro 5 and Euro 6 emission-compliant engines, ensuring sustainability without compromising power. Today, Scania continues to develop hybrid and fully electric trucks, reinforcing its commitment to a greener future while maintaining its legendary performance. The driving experience inside a Scania truck is nothing short of extraordinary. A spacious and ergonomically designed cabin offers an intuitive control layout, premium quality materials, and an advanced infotainment system. Comfort-enhancing features such as adjustable air suspension seats, climate control, and noise reduction technology create an environment where long hauls feel effortless. The sleeper cab variants, equipped with luxurious bedding, ample storage, and modern conveniences, make extended journeys significantly more comfortable, reinforcing why professional drivers choose Scania. Cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking systems, add an extra layer of safety and convenience. Digital dashboards and smart connectivity ensure seamless communication between the truck and the fleet, improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. More than just a truck, Scania represents a commitment to efficiency, innovation, and driver satisfaction. It is an emblem of progress in the transport industry, proving that reliability and performance can seamlessly coexist. Join us in celebrating the legacy and future of Scania. Subscribe, engage, and be part of a community that values excellence on the road. From cutting-edge engineering to an unmatched driving experience, Scania trucks continue to shape the future of transportation.